Hi, today you'll be doing the quiz test. That will be starting or available at 9:20. It will be open for 60 minutes and you will have 50 minutes to do it in. We mark our lesson one of week five. That should have been week five. You go to the forum, which you have by the fact that you're listening to this. And as I say, at 9:20, the quiz will be open. In the meantime, in your 30 minutes, just get yourself ready. Remember, it is very basic and straightforward. It's been a very short topic. So have your summary calculator available and some blank paper so you can do the short answer section. With the short answer section, you'll be showing your workings. Then you'll be able to scan it with say, a cam scanner or any other scanners that you've downloaded as an app on your phone. Then save it to Google. I will mark your answers from the quiz test, but if should they be wrong, I can always go and have a look at to see where you make a mistake and where I can give you some extra marks. So remember, it's a case of marking your attendance, and I'll just show you very quickly. You basically go in here. This is where you start. Click on here, and you have 10 multiple choice, 6 short answers. As I say, you only have 50 minutes. So allow someone to start a little bit later, but please make sure you finish by 10:20. Okay, so I have given you about 10 minutes spare. Um, and as I say, you'll only have one attempt at it, so do your best. It's mainly multiple choice question and so forth. So as I say, once you've finished it, I'll be able. I think it self corrects the multiple choice, and we'll get your results back to you by Thursday. So all the best to you.